Gising pa ba? Kaya bang until 1 hour na makinig? Okay, so isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, sa mga kakabsat natin sa Baguio. Thank you for watching at sa iba pang mga nasa online viewers natin. At sa lahat, of course, nang narito sa ating pick-up center. Diba? So nawa po, magising kayo for 1 hour. Kaya ba? Yes. So as I introduce, I am Noralie Magsingit, Sharon Rose Master from Fairview Lagro Center. So let me start with this image. Yan. So the leftmost, ano po ang basa ninyo sa nasa gitna? Is it B or 13? Okay. Yung iba, ang basa B, di ba? Okay. At ganun din po sa rightmost. Is it duck or a rabbit? Duck. Yung iba, rabbit. Okay. Sa totoong buhay po, ganito po talaga. Okay, ang nangyayari. Minsan magkakaiba po tayong lahat ng perspective o pananaw. Right? May mga partners ka, iba rin ang perspective. Right? So thus, we can be united and believe, but as times, we are divided and full of doubts because of our perspective. Again, what's that? What is the magic word for today? Perspective. Okay? So let's pause and reflect. When you look at your atomy journey, what do you see? Tingnan mo yung katabi mo. How do you see atomy? Do you believe that you're going to succeed in atomy? Yes, I believe that success in atomy is deeply connected to one perspective, right? So magbabago po ang lahat kung babaguhin rin natin ang ating pananaw sa buhay. Tama? Yes. Pag hindi mo binago ang pananaw mo, wala. Nandiyan ka lang. So today, I'll share with you our testimonial journey. Right? Why our? Kasi nandun po yung partner ko, nakaupo, di ba? So, yan, yung ex-boyfriend ko. Okay? So, today, I will share you our testimony that is centered towards the power of perspective. Okay? So, I would like to share with you, my life. So at first, I lost my father very untimely when he was killed at the prime of his life. Actually, I'm a daughter of a military officer. Okay, it was a heartbreaking incident to us. And it was but natural to have a mixed feelings, right? Emotions. So pag may namatay sa inyo, anong feeling mo? Pain. Galit ka, di ba? Lalo na pag hindi mo alam na biglang namatay, binarel. So ganun po kasi nangyari sa father ko. So may fear ako, may anger ako, pero hindi ko alam sino ba yung kalaban ko, di ba? So sadness and never-ending questions. Yeah, so it was really deeply a traumatic time for all of us, to our family. We actually depended heavily to our father that time. And at that point, my 4 siblings were still young and still in school. So, kailangan nilang mag-aral. Talagang matinding hirap po ang dinanas namin at pinagdaanan namin. Palipat-lipat kami ng bahay. Yet, I held on to believe that God was watching over us. So I chose to shift now my perspective, right? To find the silver lining. Sabi yung mga words yan, the silver lining in every cloud of our life. And we simply wanted to survive and live with dignity. Kaya po nagbago po ang mga pananaw sa pangyayari sa akin. So instead of being consumed of fear, di ba, takot ka, ganyan ano, so, nagwo-worry ka. I told myself, I need to persevere. Kailangan ko mag-persevere for my siblings. Kailangan tulungan ko ang nanay ko kasi lahat po kaming 5 babae pa ang nag-aaral. So, pangalawa po kasi ako sa panganay. My mother is actually here right now And andun po siya, yan, 81-year-old, kaway-kaway, mami. So which make this even harder actually for me to share. Baka kasi umiyak. But that moment changed how I saw our life, but it shaped the path that I chose moving forward. So, along with the new perspective, I pursued, yan, palaban, di ba? The quality of education that I built to have a better future. And though every triumph and trials, God has remained faithful to us. So looking back, I have reached many of the goals I once chased with youthful passion. I have served in both private and government institution capacity. Okay? Naging ano rin po ako, nakuha ko rin po ang highest position in the nursing service, whether in the academy or whether in the hospital or clinical side. Kaya po, bago ko pa po nakilalang Atomy, pakiwari ko ay malayong-malayo na rin ang aking narating. And that is because of my perspective, right? Okay, so laban lang, di ba? Sabi natin sa buhay. So in short, I chose not to dwell on the past. So, ayokong balikan yung past kasi walang mangyayari sa'yo sa past, right? With a renewal or perspective, I press on focusing on my career and supporting also my family, even my marriage. So I felt really blessed as if I had already touched the dreams I once held so close. So then came my battle with a big C. You know what big C is? It's a cancer. And I found, siguro dahil sa sobrang busy ko, no? Sobrang focus. And I find myself asking, how can we truly give thanks in all circumstances if you have cancer? Right? Siyempre, iiyak ka talaga. Diba? Hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo. Many will say it's easier said than done. Madaling magsabi, may cancer, o pagpapray kita, madaling magsabi, di ba? Pero pag ikaw mismo, mahirap. But for me, it means shifting again my perspective. So each day, I reminded myself that very breath I wake up today or every day is already a gift. So pag nagising ka ngayong umaga, okay, it's already a blessing and a gift from God. And that alone is a reason enough to thank our Lord, right? Okay, so this is the results that in December 1 of 2012, I was diagnosed to have a thyroid cancer. Okay? And then I was operated in the same year of December 2012. Okay? December 18 of 2012. And the results of my thyroid cancer inside my body is around 470.19. Ano ang normal? Less than 10 po. Yan. So, ganun kadami ang cancer cells. Remember that the cancer cells multiplies, right? Doubles, triples. Ganun siya. Kaya ganun siya kabilis. Okay, now in May of 2014, I got series of radiation from 2012 to 2014. Every 6 months, in and out in the hospitals. I suffered so much. Okay, so with that, okay, dahil na expose ako sa radiation, di ba? Yun rin ang yun ang sa akin, radiation therapy, bumaba naman po siya. Naging 56.95. Still, di ba? Mataas pa rin. Less than 10. I have to aim the less than 10. But, what happened is that lalo siyang dumami. Lalong dumami yung cancer ko. Kahit mabait na pasyente ako, ganun pa rin. Okay, so another operation happened to me. And that was on May 18, 2015. And this time po, instead of thyroidectomy, it's a bilateral neck dissection. Imaginein mo po na biniyak ka mula dito sa tenga mo sa kaliwa hanggang doon sa kanan. Diba? So ganun po yung aking suffering. And because of that, noon, kita niyo po ako, yan, di ba? Cute. Okay. After, napansin niyo, I called it the half Mexican me and the Chinese me. Lumiit po yung mata ko. Why? Because I'm exposed to series of medicines, series of radiation therapy, and the others. Okay? So, sige pa rin. Tuloy pa rin. Okay? In July 15 of 2015, akala ko magaling na ako, hindi pa rin. Kumalat at kumakalat pa rin siya. So dumadami. Kahit mabait akong pasyente, yan pa rin po ang nangyari sa akin. Despite the multiple operations and therapies of cancer cells, they keep on growing inside my body. One day, my husband, with a renewed perspective then, sabi niya sa akin, instead of sulking and being sad, why don't we just enjoy our life? So we did. We began eating, okay, and resting whenever we felt like. No longer worrying about the cost, okay, every payday. Basta payday, sige, kain tayo sa mga restaurant. Kasi nakikita niya, my body is really deteriorating. I am in and out of the hospital. Okay, so one time, we ate at the Don Day Korean restaurant. Dito yun sa Don Antonio, kung alam nyo, di ba? That's where we met our Atomy sponsors for the first time, Ma'am Dina Lee, kay Ma'am Leon May, Sir Choi, and as well as the husband, Mr. Lee, the husband of Ma'am Dina. Yan po, dati si Ma'am Dina. Napansin nyo? Tahimik, di ba? Ibang-iba na po ang kanyang sigla ngayon. Napansin nyo at ang kanyang aura. Siya po ngayon ay crazy atom yan, di ba? And nabago din po siya. Okay? So, still, nakilala ko si Atomy, inintroduce niya, pero hindi po ako naniwala. That was 2015 of December. So, another series of radiation in and out again in the hospital. So as time went on, physical and emotional challenges persisted on me, especially as I had to endure a series of radiation therapies. May time po dyan na montik na akong mag-cardiac arrest. Na-feel ko po at sinabihan ko yung doktor ko, tawagin mo ang doktor ko kasi magka-cardiac arrest ako. Okay? So ganun po. So pag naka-recover ako, syempre, as a nurse, my perspective was to become an advocate. So sa mga students and as well as to our patients, especially for those who are also suffering the same like me na cancer. So I could speak not just from expertise now, but also from my experience. That's why pinaramdam siguro sa akin ni Lord ito. That's why I'm speaking in front of you because I'm a living testimony in front of you. Ano ba ang ginawa sa akin ni Atomy? Okay, so I cried fervently to God. I cried for healing because nobody can heal me, I know. And enduring in my quiet moments, ito po ang pinakita niya sa akin. As I open my Bible, nagulat po ako, hindi ko po binabasa ang Ezekiel. Pero nung challenge ko si God, during my quiet time, sabi ko, pag-open ko ng Bible, sana, ibigay mo sa akin yung sagot mo. I know He's not answering directly like what He's doing during the Israelite times. But I know and I believe that through Bible and Bible reading quiet time, He's going to answer. Nagulat po ako, eto po ang lumabas. Ayan po, sa Ezekiel 47:12. And at the end of the verse, nakalagay, their fruit is used for food and their leaves for healing. Suddenly, I remembered Atomy. Bakit? Because I believe that time, the rema to me of God is, you have to shift from synthetic to organic. Yun po. Yes. And yes, this is December 29 of 2017. Okay? So, God is truly good all the time sa akin. It was on this year when I returned to Don Day Restaurant. Pero, ang purpose ko, kakain. Diba? Hindi po si Atomy. Nagulat po ako, katabi ni Don Day si Atomy. So, instead of going to the restaurant, pumunta po kami kay Atomy. And this time, nakita ko po, okay, that was the Kalayaan Center. Nakita ko po doon, mawawala na ako sa system. Kasi hindi naman ako bumibili, di ba? At hindi ako naniniwala. Imagine from 2015, before the opening, di ba? Kilala ko na siya, pero I didn't believe in Atomy, di ba? So, pasok po ako dyan, and this time, si Ma'am Leon May insisted me to take the himuhim. Sabi ko, wait, I like to know if there is a research. So binigay po sa akin yan. Kaya binasa ko lahat ng iba't ibang research po. So eto po yung naka-amaze sa akin. Bakit? Nakalagay dyan, a herbal composition as a complementary agent of cancer, radiotherapy and chemotherapy. Ako yun. Diba? So binasa ko po yan. Okay, so nagka-interest po ako. And then in January of 2018, I start taking himuhim religiously. Religiously, walang palya. Okay? Bakit po? Because in 120 days, yun po ang palitan ng blood natin. Kaya dapat dire-diretso. Okay? And what I did also is to add other health products one after the other. Okay? So I started slowly exploring, studying about the Atomy products. Okay? And this time po, ayan, sabi ko sa doktor ko, Nori, rejuvenation 2018, pre-pandemic yan, bago mag-pandemic. So sabi ko na gano'n, sabi niya sa akin, Nori, it's time for you again to have a radiation therapy. Sabi ko, Dok, parang ayoko na. Okay, so can I take this himuhim? Eto po. Yan po ang results nung nag-take ako after 6 months from January to July, and then blood exam niya ako, there is a dramatic decrease in my cancer cells. It becomes 19.95. Yeah. Okay, so as we decided to pursue the Ato business, I began to believe that our health products, especially I called it the champ. Why? Yan po yung inad ko, aside from the himuhim. Because I am really very eager na gumaling po ako. So we have the Atomy vitamin C. Ayaw ni cancer cells ng vitamin C. Galit po siya dyan, hindi niya pagkain yan. We have the himuhim to boost our immune system, Alaska Omega E, para naman malinis yung blood ko, lahat ng dadaanan. Milk T-cell to protect my liver and the kidney because I am exposed already to different synthetics and probiotics to get ready of my stomach para mabilis ang absorption ni himuhim. So, each one felt like a divine provision. It was really a God's divine provision aligned with my healing journey and anchored in hope. Then, praise be to God. In my PET scan, after taking another 6 months, ayan po, no any other growth since. Yeah. So, my PET scans now showed that I am a cancer-free. Yan. So, di ba, gumagamit ako ng shampoo, conditioner, lahat, di ba? So, kaya yan, ganda ng hair ko rin. Oh. Okay? So, truly many things are impossible, right? Impossible with man. But with God, all things are possible. Since then, as my way of giving thanks, I become an advocate of Atomy. Kaya, napapansin niyo po ako, di ba? Na-invite ako lagi na dito nagbe-vision because I really want to share what the goodness of God has given to me. Okay? Especially this himuhim. Atomy has given me a renewed perspective of life. One rooted in hope, stewardship, and divine grace. So I truly believe that each of us in Atomy for a reason and for a purpose. Tignan mo yung katabi mo. Anong reason mo? Bakit ka nasa Atomy? Okay? Naniniwala ka ba? Nagagaling ka at magiging successful ka? Magiging healthy ka? Okay. So once again, it all comes down to our perspective. Okay. So things are not actually easy to succeed. That's why ito po yung ginawa namin, our success journey principle. So we must operate within the Atomy system. And alongside, we embrace the guiding principle of this Atomy success journey, anchoring in our growth in discipline, vision, and shared purpose. So we make Atomy as an acronym of this. Atomy, always be thankful. Sabay-sabay po tayo. A, always be thankful. Take Atomy as a way of life. Overcome negative thinking. Mindful mastership challenge. And you must own your life scenario. So as defined in principle number 1, alam ko pa ulit-ulit to, pero may dagdag yan mamaya. Okay? So as we look back, we have to thank God for allowing us to encounter Atomy in 2015. I'm so grateful na nakilala ko siya for giving us the chance to reconsider it in 2018. Pero 2018, imagine ilang years yon, 15, 16, 17, 18 lang ako naniwala, di ba? So, and for that gift of healing from cancer in 2019, we remain very grateful. So therefore, lingon uli sa kaliwat kanan, sabihin mo sa sponsor mo, salamat at in-invite mo ako. Yes, and I thank God because of you. Okay? So we are deeply thankful also to our sponsors. So I'm really grateful to Ma'am Dina and Ma'am Lee Yunmi, our partners also, our members, and every affiliate of our Atomy family. Their support, beliefs, and shared journey have made all of us and made us a difference, diba? Because in Atomy, true success is never solo. Tama? We rise only when others rise with us. Meaning, it's a group or team effort. Okay, so thank you so much. So the principle number 2 is take Atomy as a way of life. So in our journey in Atomy, change is inevitable, right? So each day, each month, every year, we have a lot of challenges in our lives that arises. New seasons unfold, and we'll learn to adjust, to adapt, and as well as to grow. So ngayon, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, okay, nagpalit ka na ba ng mga brand mo? Okay. Si Atomy na ba ang brand mo? Yes. But one thing remains constant, ha? We will never depart from our vision. Because in principle number 2, it says, we have chosen to take Atomy as a way of life. Because we want to become healthy, beautiful, and wealthy. Diba? Okay, ayaw nyo yun? Diba maganda yon? Healthy, beautiful, and wealthy. So to begin with, we must regularly review and rewrite our life scenario. You know, you have a lot of booklets in you. You have to write your life scenario. So we start writing our life scenario, and that, because of that, okay, our life change. Okay, so but through it all, we must stay anchored also to our vision. And that vision is the very reason we are doing Atomy. Di ba may vision ka? Okay, lahat tayo. Right? Not just for success, but for a purpose. Katulad ko, ang purpose ko rin, not on success, but also to share the benefits of Atomy. Sinong nag-award sa akin dyan ng sales master? Ginawa ko siyang business. Sino? Yes, si chairman ang nag-award sa akin dyan, kaya masayang-masaya ako. See? So our chairman is very clear also. We must begin with a goal in our mind. Okay? That's why goal setting is really very important, and it is really the very first step in Atomy, especially learning the 8 steps of success. Because without a clear destination, even the best journey can lose its way. Okay, so principle number 3 is overcome negative thinking. Maraming nega, tama? Yes. Kahit minsan kasama mo na sa bahay, nega pa rin sa'yo, di ba? Shineran mo, best friend mo, nega sa'yo, di ba? And because of this, okay, so you have to make clear with a sound perspective that is really very essential. Because what help us about is the doubt, fear, and negative thinking. So tanggalin natin yan. When our vision is anchored in the truth and purpose, no challenge can cloud our direction. Tama? Kahit nega siya, sige ka pa rin, positive ka pa rin, di ba? Okay. So, okay, in pursuing that vision also, okay, we develop and we emphasize the importance of having a perspective in our continuing Atomy journey. So let me share to you an acronym that I call it LENS. Okay, LENS. So it is anchored in our company motto. So L means lift the spirit, E, empower the vision, and nurture the journey, and S, stewards the legacy. So, like what we are doing, di ba? Kapag may camera or may lens, we are looking on something, right? So, ganun daw. So, L, lift the spirit. So, in lifting the spirit, in Atomy success, it begins on what we see to people. Tama? Okay, that's why we must shift from a transactional mindset. So, business lang. Di ba? Dati. Ngayon, we have to transform it into or shift your perspective to transformational relationship. And what is transformational relationship? It is building your trust and confidence to your business partners. Right? Okay, so another is empower the vision. Now, your perspective now is from self-centered ambition. Ambition, okay? So, masyado ka ambisyosa. So, gusto mo, ikaw na lang ang napropromote. Ikaw at ikaw din. Hello, in Atomy, pag sarili mo lang ang iniintindi mo, hindi ka magiging successful. Because in Atomy, you have to work as a team. Therefore, you have to shift now, okay, your perspective from self-centered ambition to a purpose-driven multiplication. So, dapat, kung gaano ka ka-active, ganun din ang members mo, di ba? Paramihin mo ng paramihin and developing a good relationship with same vision and goal to you. Because, sabi nga, di ba, kailangan para mag-grow, kay ang ating business in Atomy, kailangan natin ay to build a legacy. Okay? So, S is, tama na ba? N. Okay. N is nurture the journey. So, in nurturing the journey, this is to honor the system. Meaning, you have to have trust in the system. Follow the process. Hindi yung ikaw, may sarili kang sistema. Build na ang system ni Atomy. So, even when results takes time, okay lang yan. Kasi ang gusto ng iba, mabilis kumita. Tama? Gusto nila, pero mabilis ding mawala. Diba? Pero in Atomy, hindi po. You really have to nurture the journey of being a member. So, mentoring patience to your group, leading with grace and celebrating every small step with them. Because the legacy is not just built in a moment, it is cultivated over time. Walang magic, ha? Kailan, even in using the product of Atomy, walang pag-inom mo ngayon, okay ka na. Hindi po ganon, okay? So, it requires time. Okay? It requires ourselves to rejuvenate. It requires 120 days. Because again, true legacy is not to build a moment. It is always cultivating time. Okay? So when we walk by faith, we trust that every seed we plant will bear fruit in season. So your perspective now from instant result to, pabasa, intentional growth. Okay? So S is steward the legacy. Okay, so in Atomy, we just don't build business. Hindi lang business to. We build legacies. To stewards with legacy is to serve with humility. It is not about being remembered for what we achieve, but for how we love, led and lifted our team or our members. And every act of service become a service for generation. So legacy again, is not what we leave behind. It is what we live out daily with humility and purpose. So therefore, our perspective now from building your own name, you have to build your legacy. Para pag ikaw ay nasa 6 feet below the ground, di ba yung legacy mo, maging maganda? Uy, yan talaga. Di ba? Pag sabihin niya, ay yan, alam mo, tinuruan niya ako paano mag-atomy. I thank him kasi pinakilala niya ako sa atomy. Di ba? And the system of atomy. Okay? So, in 2019 also, we face a devastating challenge in our pursuit of Sharon Rose Master. Yan. Hindi naman talaga lahat magtatagumpay, di ba? Okay, so syempre, this is really a very disheartening on our part. I am discouraged, honestly, na-discouraged po ako niyan. Okay, so I thought also of quitting Atomy. Yan. So sino sa inyo ang nag-decide na mag-quit kay Atomy? Yes, nakikita ko. So, ganun din ako. Naka-feel din po ako na yan. But what felt like a setback was actually a setup for deeper purpose. Okay? So, greater clarity and renewed my strength. So, yan, pinadala ako tama-tama ng hospital sa Japan. Sabi ko dun sa dear, pag tumingin ka sa akin, hindi mo inalisan ako ng tingin. Itutuloy ko si Atomy. Hindi niya ako inalisan ng tingin. Diba? So, ayan po. Yan, buti nakuha ng picture. Kaya sabi ko, ay, itutuloy ko si Atomy. Okay? So sabi ko nga God answers in a mysterious ways, di ba? Okay, in COVID-19, di naman ako sa nagpapasalamat na nagkaroon ng COVID-19. Pero in this COVID-19, shook the entire world, right? Lahat tayo. There are a lot of uncertainty. Pero dito ko po napatunayan, okay, na si Atomy, okay, is really a true help to all of us. Bakit po? Okay. Ayan. Ito po muna. Okay. So, nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, ano nangyari doon sa ating mga members? Diba? Nagkamatayan. Diba? Nawala. Diba? Napansin nyo? Nawala siya. Pero actually, we have to understand also na because sometimes we value something, diba, that isn't until the storm comes. But those who stayed, who believed, who held on. Meaning, ang tinignan ko po dyan, yung mga natitira. Ilan na lang po ba ang buhay dyan? Di ba? Ang active sa Atomy. Doon po kami nag-focus. Rather than focusing doon sa mga nagkamatayan at nawala sa Atomy. So, di ba? Ang nangyari po sa amin, okay, because I changed our perspective, naniwala po kami sa system in Atomy. So from the dying down lines came a flowing blessing. Bakit? Yan po ang maganda kay Atomy. Kasi para siyang river, diba? So naghahanap siya ng daanan. It's a continuous. Diba? Sabi nga kanina diba, ng natin kanina sa si Ma'am Rock, sabi niya dire-diretso. Dire-diretso si Atomy, infinite, di ba? So, ito po yung nangyari. So, we focus, okay, we press on the pressure, okay, and then we try to build our Atomy, focusing on our other members. Yan po ang aking, Australian team. Yan. And last month po, our Australian team, meron po kaming na-produce na isang Diamond Masters and 4 na Sales Masters. And hopefully this November 16 po to 30, we will be able to produce another Sharon Rose Master on my left. Yeah. Okay. So the challenge of COVID-19 gave birth to Fairview Lagro Center. So kami po yung unang-unang naglakas ng loob na Sir Eric, okay, payagan mo kaming mag-open ng center namin kahit virtual. And we would like to thank Atomy for that kasi pumayag sila. So, we began now, okay, in crisis that becomes a catalyst to everyone. We connect with our members kasi po meron akong mahiwagang ID. I'm a health worker. I can transfer to one, di ba, noon kasi may mga, yung mga hindi ka pwede, right, na pumasok. Okay? So, from connection to healing and to growth. Marami po kaming natulungan especially po yung mga senior citizen natin. So in season and out of season, there is always to be COVID or non-COVID, influenza or with influenza, flu or what, nandyan pa rin po si Atomy. And because of our effort and resilience, okay, we did not go unnoticed. Yan. In the midst of our uncertainty, our commitments to serve, uplift, and persevere, okay, was recognized by Atomy. And in September of 2020, we were awarded as the Center of the Month. COVID po yan, 2020. So another is that we become an auto sales master in 2021. That's why we have the pin. Okay, so we achieve on that because of the daily discipline that we did to our team and to our group. Our heart is anchored with purpose. And in 2023 po, okay, thank you for Atomy that they recommended us to be an Entrepreneur of the Year award by the DSAP. Okay, so the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines. So yan. Okay, and gradually, of course, the principle number 4. Ang saya ni Atomy, di ba? Pag ginawa mo, dire-diretso, no? Okay, so and gradually, of course, our group began to flourish. We produce, okay, not only sales masters, okay, we will produce a lot of diamond masters, and then we have now three Sharon Rose masters in our team. Isa na lang, di ba? Okay, yan. So we continue to have a mindful challenge in our team. Yan. Anchored, of course, with purpose, challenge, and stepping stone towards the legacy. So again, in 2023, we became a Sharon Rose Master. Yan. So napansin niyo po, nakahimuhim dress ako kasi si Himuhim po ang nagpagaling sa akin. So therefore, sabi ko, when I was sitting like you at the back, sabi ko, pag ako naging Sharon Rose Master, susuotin ko Himuhim dress. And true enough, di ba? If you write it in your life scenario, ayan na po ako. From 2018, eto na ako, 2023, Sharon Rose Master, wearing my Himuhim dress. Okay? So, little by little, our dreams becomes true. Eto naman po yung picture. Dati po, pupunta ako sa Korea, mag-isa lang ako. As in, nagsasagay, mag-isa lang ako, nagaganyan-ganyan. Naka-Philippines. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Parang gano'n, di ba? 20 lang kami na from the Philippines. Pero last year po, 2024, during the Korean tour, okay, we are, I think 15 to 20 of my team are with me. Yan po yung Korean tour. So it was really a testimony of perseverance and answered prayers and of the beauty of walking in unity. Okay, so another incentive, syempre sa Jeju Island. Ang kasama ko po yung mother ko na 81-year-old. Kasi prinamis ko po sa kanya yan, na pag ako naging Sharon Rose Master, isasama kita sa Jeju Island. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, ngayon ko lang na-experience dito sa Atomy na na magtutour ka, hindi mo tinitignan kung ano yung kakainin mo. Diba? Pati yung travel mo, hindi ka nagtitipid. Diba? Kami nga, naubusan na ng pera, kakabili namin. Siya, ang dami niya pang pera. Diba? So tuwan-tuwa siya, diba? Yung iba nagtutour, pero anong kakainin mo? Noodles. Ito, tipid na tipid ka, pati pamasahe mo. Pati in Atomy, hindi po. You will be treated like queen and king. Okay. So Atomy now is a financial growth, right? Okay, realizing our balanced life. But of course, faith, family, health, okay, and purpose walk hand in hand. So dapat magkakasama tayo lagi. Above all, we give glory to God through every high and low of our life. Every delay and breakthrough, we are reminded of our one truth, right? So we owe everything to our Maker. Yes, you have many desires in your life, dreams we pursue, goals we set, and visions we carry. But in the end, it is God who directs our path. So in Proverbs 16:9, a man's heart divides his way, but the Lord's direct his step. Okay? So lastly, we must own our life scenario. not one written by someone else. Hindi pwedeng sabihin mo, ay, pasulat nga yung life scenario ko, hindi pwedeng gano'n, Ikaw mismo ang magdidictate sa circumstances kung anong mangyayari sa'yo. Okay, it is built through the intentional choices, daily discipline, and unwavering faith. Thus, working on your life scenario must remain on focus. Okay, not just success, but for significance. So, we have to honor the resources of God that was entrusted to us. So, si Atomy ni-entrust sa'yo. Ano ang gagawin mo? And we have to become stewards of a legacy that lasts. Imagine, 2015, binaliwala ako. Nag-start ako in 2018. Pero nung 2018, nag-sales master kami. Sunod-sunod na po, right? As I've shown you in the slides. Okay, so our perspective remains clear and with purpose. We continue to be Atomy advocates, right? You have to be advocate of Atomy. Huwag kayong mahiya sa product natin kasi totoo siya. It has clinical trials. Okay? It is one way of hoping for us to achieve a balanced life in season and out of season. Yan po yung pandemic po yan. Nandyan si chairman natin. Kaya pumunta po kami niyan. Okay, so it has also become clear to us undeniably and deeply that Atomy is more than a business. It is more than a business. Hindi siya business lang. It is a tool, a vehicle of realizing our balanced life. Okay, so imagine niyo ito. If we are money rich, anong nangyayari? Ikaw ang hinahabol ng pera, di ba? So imagine your age today. So if you start doing Atomy now, okay, anong mangyayari, di ba? Money rich. Ikaw yung hahabulin. Because you will have a financial abundance. Is that a blessing? Yeah. So when we become steward, okay, we have to help other team also to have a balanced life. We want to achieve also our balanced life. We want to live well, loving, learning, and contributing to others through our entire life. Okay, so, and with that, di ba gusto ko rin maging ganito? Actually, si chairman natin, siya po ang may pinakamalaking donation sa South Korea. And I want to be like him. Gusto ko, ganyan din po ako, na marami akong masaserve, marami akong matutulungan. Hindi yung pag nanghingi sa'yo, parang hirap na hirap kang dukutin yung mo, di ba? May 500 ka pa dyan. Di ba? Titingin ka pa sa iba, di ba? So you have to start doing Atomy and believe in doing Atomy para maging ganyan din po tayo kay chairman. Okay, so in Atomy also, okay, when we become friend rich and time rich, we unlock a different kind of freedom. The freedom to truly enjoy the blessing of life. Ngayon po, ako po ay part-time Atomian kasi I'm working as one of the director of nursing in one of the tertiary hospital. Pero, challenge ko sa inyo, okay? Naabot ko ang Sharon Rose Master, di ba? So, lalo na kayo, alright? So, you have to spend time with those you love, to serve without rushing. Huwag kayong magmadali. Okay? Dahan-dahan, step by step, to learn without limits, and to give without hesitation. Attend Success Academy and ODS. So, and of course, we need also to declare from time to time our determination to succeed. In Atomy, as we take our journey bravely and with joy towards realizing a balance of life, our slogan this year reminds us that our words matter the most. Because the words that we are making determine our future and our destination. Kaya bawal ang nega. Because the words that we utter in our mouth is the one that we will be our destination. Kaya dapat positive lahat. Kaya sabi nga, words over matter. We have to be careful on the things that utters in our mouth. So, and let me ask you again, do you believe that you can be successful in Atomy? Wow, ang lakas! Our Imperial Master Li Dugu processed that in atomy, it's a miracle not to succeed because he did succeed. Tama? Okay, so miracle daw pag di ka naging successful. And our chairman always dares us to believe that if we dream vividly, it will definitely come true. Nakita niyo po yung picture ko dyan, di ba? Si Imperial Li Dugu yan, si chairman, nag-award sa akin sales matter. And this is my blueprint. Sabi ko, siya rin ang magbibigay sa akin ng 1 million forklifts, si chairman. Yan. Okay, so but again, paano mo titignan si Atomy again? Yan. Klaro ba? Ang dahilan mo, bakit kailangan mong gawin si Atomy? Pag ikaw ang nasa right, anong basa mo? Ha? 9. Pag ikaw nasa left, 6. So, buo. Pero pag ikaw, si right, pumunta siya kay left, pareho kayo. Di ba? Pareho kayo ng iniisip, pareho kayo ng vision, para nagiging pareho ang goal nyo. Okay, so, yung isa naman, tingnan nyo, di ba? Yung isa, pukpuk siya, they want to get the diamond. Paano nila ma-achieve yun? Opposite din sila. Diba? So you have to change your perspective. Dapat you will work as a team and so that you will become successful in Atomy. So buong-buo ba ang paniniwala nyo na magtatagumpay kayo sa Atomy? Oh, malakas. I love that. So the world's lens is often transactional, self-centered, and hurried. Right? So do not conform, but always be transformed. God's lens is relational, purpose-driven. Tama? Diba? And eternal. Okay? So we must renew our mind, our perspective, and this begins with our inner self. Sa'yo muna. Not just our behavior, but our belief. When our lens or perspective is clear, we can see what is good, acceptable, pleasing, and according to His will. Sabi nga sa Romans 12:2, do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is. His good, pleasing, and perfect will. Okay, so deep in our heart, at this point in time, let us declare that we have a better choice and clear perspective. Clear na ba perspective nyo after listening? Yes, I hope so. And that is to succeed in Atomy. So let me request everyone to stand up. Okay? We will declare once again, okay, our commitment and determination to succeed here in Atomy. So let's do together with our chairman. So at the count of 3, sabihin natin, make imperial, make imperial, make imperial. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Make imperial, make imperial, make imperial. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so you may see. So once again, I am Nori Magsingit, Sharon Rose Master, and Center Head of Fairview Lagro Center. To God be the glory.